get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before, no.
Hello?
I just wanna tell you right now that I believe, I really do believe that something's got a hold on me, yeah. Oh, something's got a hold on me right now, yeah. Let me tell you now, I've got a feeling, I feel so strange. Everything about me seems to have changed. Step by step, I got a brand new walk. I even sound sweeter when I talk. I said, oh, hey baby, oh, it must be love, you know it must be love.
Work is no longer a place you go, but something you do. So it's crucial to have a device that delivers ultimate mobility. With LTE on Surface Pro X and Microsoft Edge, Office, and the Your Phone app, stay connected and productive wherever you go. Emails are still a constant throughout your day, and to digest long communications while multitasking, Outlook will read them to you. Select Read Aloud from the drop-down menu and choose your preferred voice and speed. When composing an email, use speech to express your thoughts more naturally. Select Dictate, wait for the audio prompt, and say your message aloud, including punctuation. The studio mics on Surface Pro X pick up your voice in crystal clarity and cancel out surrounding noise. Tap Dictate again when you're finished and send off your message. When you're focused on getting a task done, distractions from other devices can pull you out of your flow. The Your Phone app syncs notifications, text messages, and photos between your smartphone and PC, so you don't have to reach into your pocket. Now seamlessly continue your conversations on the Surface Pro X keyboard. Whether it's a project for your work, school, or personal life, you often have to bring together content from multiple sources across the web. The Collections feature in the next version of Microsoft Edge simplifies that process. First, tap the Collections icon, then start a new collection and give it a name. Next, drag and drop any specific text, images, or web pages into your collection. When you're done, choose Send to Word from the drop-down menu and you'll get a formatted document, complete with references and hyperlinks. Try out Collections in the next version of Microsoft Edge by visiting aka.ms/Microsoft Edge Insider. To quickly make edits and provide feedback in a way that saves you time and feels natural, use the Surface Slim Pen. Removing it from the storage built into the signature keyboard automatically opens the Draw tab, keeping you in your flow. Choose from different highlighters, pens, and pencils to annotate, while Word autosaves and tracks your changes in real time. Then, turn on Ink Editor to start editing the document with a few simple gestures. To add words, draw a caret and write freely, while Microsoft AI converts your ink to text in seconds. Cross out words to delete them. This even works for entire paragraphs or images. And when you're done, return your Surface Slim Pen into the signature keyboard so it's recharged and there when you need it next. Now, no matter where you work with Surface Pro X, you're always connected and have intelligent features and accessories to keep you productive and free of distractions.
Presentations in the workplace are shifting, from taking place in conference rooms or auditoriums to being hosted online. Surface Laptop 3, together with Microsoft Teams and PowerPoint, empower you to create engaging presentations and deliver them to people all over the world as if you were there in person. Teams provides a great experience for online meetings, but for the times you need to broadcast video and meeting content to large online audiences, use this drop-down and set up a live event. Now, add a title, location, and time, and then assign producers and presenters. Next, choose who can join the event and whether they'll be required to sign in. Then scroll down to set more options like recording, Q&A, and live captions, which are available in over 50 languages. Now that your live event is set up, Teams generates an attendee link for easy sharing on Teams, Yammer, or calendar invitations. Within a team, conversations and live documents are shared in a threaded, persistent chat. It's simple to translate messages inline and remove the communication barriers between co-workers across the globe. Opening the presentation, you can see there's a lot of content, but it's still very much in draft form. To convert ink into shapes and text, go to the Draw tab, use the lasso tool to select your ink, and then tap Ink to Shape. When you're ready to polish the look of your presentation, go to the Design tab and use Design Ideas to see layout options created by Microsoft AI. On slides with lots of images, it'll offer beautiful designs to make your slides look great. Rehearsing presentations is difficult, especially without feedback. Presenter Coach in PowerPoint helps you hone your technique and offers helpful suggestions to improve. Under the Slideshow tab, you'll find Rehearse with Coach. Once you're ready, click or tap Start Rehearsing and present as you would normally. By listening to your speech, PowerPoint will score you on pacing, originality, and vocabulary, and show a summary of feedback at the end of your rehearsal. After a few rounds, you'll feel more confident and prepared for the live event. Event producers are responsible for starting the live event and choosing what content to send live to the audience. The larger 15-inch screen on Surface Laptop 3 gives you a spacious display to view multiple apps side by side. The producer selects the content source from presenters and sends it live to the audience. Presenters only need to focus on what they do best: presenting, taking all the tips and learnings from Presenter Coach to speak with passion and clarity. While speaking, the studio mics on Surface Laptop 3 pick up your voice, and machine learning cancels out ambient noise. If your surroundings are too distracting, turn on background blur to keep focus on the speaker and content. Attendees see the presenter in lifelike quality, and omnisonic speakers make it feel like you're in the same room together. Live captions appear in the languages the producer selected when setting up the event, and allows everyone to participate. Once the broadcast is over, the producer selects the event in Teams and sees all the files needed to upload the event to stream and make it accessible to everyone. And there you go, now broadcasting a live event with Surface Laptop 3, Microsoft Teams and PowerPoint makes every online presentation successful.
The challenge was to make something that is super versatile, a perfect companion for you at your workspace.
How do I design something that I would love? So beautiful, you don't even think about it, you just want it.
What are the experiences you would want to hear in audio?
Hi there.
What's on my calendar today?
Do I find an assistant valuable?
Those are all the things we sort of have to take into account and even start understanding for ourselves as designers.
How are we going to do something new that Microsoft hasn't done before?
You know, where do you start?
Why human science in a technology company? Well, who's the technology for? It's for the human. I go as Gopal, and so nobody forgets me. So I say my name twice. Different story.
We kind of went with this notion that when you do have your headphones, you can actually escape into another world.
This product would really help you by canceling out the noise around you or amplifying the noise around you if people were to talk to you.
We said, why don't we give the human, the actual user of the headphones, to control how much noise they want to eliminate and how plugged in they want to be the environment. I rotate the dial, I can increase the amount of cancellation. Rotate it one other way, I can begin to hear everything around me. Victor, can you change the noise to aircraft noise, please? And then make it louder too, so I can play with my noise cancellation headphones.
We put a lot of effort into the design aesthetic at the beginning. Everything happens on paper first, and then you start to build prototypes.
We must have gone through at least 60 different designs. It was really clear for us that the earmuffs itself that are actually touching you all the time, that's the most important feature. With textile, you always have to have a seam if you have two complicated parts. From the side view, the two materials come together and they're pressing against this foam, and it just created this small ripple. It was creating more of a shadow. What if we cut a tiny little groove to the foam and we actually put the seam inside that groove? Everybody was going like, this is never gonna work. But then we tried it. We prototyped some more, and we had this perfect earmuff with no wrinkles.
Good design is something that once you start to wonder why it is like that, that you think, hey, there were a lot of problems solved actually here.
I'm curious, what is the response you would love from someone who's using the headphones for the first time?
I mean, it's usually something very emotional and not super tangible.
Do you want to go up and say, I made those?
I just let them enjoy it, yeah.